Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to check nearby hotels on Google Maps. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple and very easy. Make sure that you are connected with your internet and make sure that you have enabled your location from the top bottom. So the next step, you will simply go to your Google Maps. So here are the Google Maps. You will enter your Google Maps. So here at the top there are hotels, hospitals and clinics, coffee shops, gas, shopping and a lot more, groceries. So when you will tap on hotels, the Google map will navigate your nearby hotels. There are 698 places to stay, and there are it is telling are the rates of the hotels which are nearby us. Like here are we, and here is a hotel of 14k PKR. So when you will tap on this hotel, like PKR Embassy Lodge Motel. So these are the hotels which are nearby, like Embassy Lodge Motel, CP Hotel Islamabad, New Guest Lodge, Pine View Hotel. So this was the simple and easy process of checking the hotels nearby you on Google Maps. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.